Hello there, I'm Mr. Marshall and I'm one of the heads of computer science here for the Associated Sixth Form, and I'm going to talk to you today about the Cambridge Technicals Level 3 in IT. It's actually a bit of a different qualification to some of the others that we offer in the association, that we can actually provide you with an AS qualification. Some of the other courses, a lot of the other courses can't do that. The reason for that is you will actually sit the 2 mandatory units in Year 12 as part of your assessment in the summer. And what that means there is you'll actually get the certificate in IT at Level 3, and that's worth an AS level, and it's recognised by UCAS as well, which is brilliant. What we then do for the second year, for your Year 13, is we give the opportunity to complete 3 pieces of coursework, and those then will top up your certificate and get you what we call the Introductory Diploma, and that's what's recognised as the traditional A level that you would use then to get yourself into university. It's all marked at a pass merit distinction because it's an applied subject, but again that is recognised to give you the same number of UCAS points. So if you got a distinction, it's the same as an A. If you got a merit, it would be worth the same as a C, and if you got a pass, it would be worth the same as an E at A level. So it's really good, it's a great qualification. The great thing about this is because it's such an applied qualification, you will do lots of hands-on pieces of work. The 3 pieces of coursework, for example, you've got an application development unit that works in tandem with Unit 8, which is project management. So you will work as part of a group, and you'll design and you'll develop and then you'll test and evaluate your own application, and you will create a working prototype for that. And it's great because you learn real key skills then about the software development lifecycle and how that works if you were to go and work for big tech, or you're going to go and work in software development of any kind. But it also gives you the people skills. It teaches you how to work with other people and how to communicate, which is a lifelong skill for you to have in any subject or any discipline that you decide to do. So the 2 mandatory units for Year 12 are the fundamentals of IT, which is just general information technology. You'll learn everything from what's inside a computer and what is hardware and software, through to what the internet is, and even some of the laws that surround IT and the modern use of computers in today's world. That's normally taught down at St John Fisher's, and that's taught by Ms Myers, and you will study that alongside Unit 2, usually with myself, and there we would learn the Global Information Unit, and that covers everything, how information is used across the world and all the different legislation that works with that. But you'll also think about the way in which people collect data and how they then pass it around and how they look after it. So the course is brilliant for getting you onto university, and you can go into anything really that's to do with IT. So you could go into traditional IT, such as being technicians and thinking about Cisco qualifications, or you could look at things like computer science if you'd really not wanted to do it at A level but then decided you liked it for your university degree. But also things like what I studied, which is things like video game design. So you can go in with that more of a practical, more of a media use of computers knowledge, and then you can build the computer science on top of that then to get the programming to go alongside it. It's a great course. It is fun. We try and make it as fun as we can do. Really fun in the second year when you start to make the pieces of coursework. Students do like it and they do get involved, and we get some fantastic pieces of work as a result. And I'd look forward to seeing you in September.